Are you tired of modern, well-engineered flashlights? Yeah, me neither. But I still want to build my own one. Imagine having to aim a flashlight yourself. So 1899. Why don't we just attach motors to the end to aim it for us? Why don't we just build a better flashlight? What exactly do I mean when I say build a better flashlight? Well, basically, I just want to put servos on it. I think that would be really funny. So let's start with the motors. Now, these aren't any old motor. These are servos. And just so you don't make the same mistake I did, I'm going to tell you the different types. So the two main types of servo are positional and constant rotation. A positional servo lets you rotate to any specific angle, and a constant rotation servo lets you tell it what direction and speed to rotate. For this project, I'm going to use positional servos, not goddamn constant rotation. And this is what I built. As you can see, we have our spin and these other spins. This setup basically just lets us cover every angle. And yes, that is hot glue. I only used the best materials in my project. Subscribe, please. So we have our motors set up, but we currently don't have any way of controlling them. It would be really convenient if we had a small computer that could control motors and was small. Oh look, a Raspberry Pi. If we just do a bit of crafting and coding, we now have a way to move the motors to any position we want. All that's happening is a bit of code that moves the motors from left to right is looping continuously. This will be useful if we want to, for example, blind the person that's using the torch, or shine light everywhere but where we want it to go. Generally useful stuff. But wait, how are we gonna shine light if we have no light to shine? Expert thinking. Well, we unfortunately need to get one of these primitive light sources. Oh, not to use. We just need it for the parts. This will be the body and handle of the flashlight, and this will be the flashlight part of the flashlight. So basically, everything's being used for its intended purpose. Some more hot glue should attach this together, and now we can spin a light. Very cool. So the next step is connecting everything together. The LED wires can just go to the original circuit board, and I guess I'll have to figure out how to power the Raspberry Pi. How about taping a power bank to my arm? Very smart method, good job. So now we have it. After a ton of hot glue and zip ties, we have our very own better flashlights. I'm very happy with how this turned out. I don't really expect it to be useful, but who really buys a flashlight to use it anyway? That's kind of weird. So all that's left to do now is test it out. Jack, do you need a torch? Yeah. Where would you like it aimed?
In the bushes.
This one down here? Hold on. It's not quite reaching. Oh shit, it broke up. Ah!
Down there.
Down here? Down here?
Yeah, down there.
Oh, sorry. That's not good.
One tree.
It's good. It's like a tripod now. Why did it break?
It hit a tree.
Did it actually?
Yeah, it hit a tree.
Oh shit, the connections all came out.
You checking that?
He was in here the whole time.
I'm not talking to you.
Better flashlight may be an understatement, that was amazing, but it did spin into a bush, and no better flashlight should ever do that. So I have no choice but to upgrade it into a better flashlight, which means removing all the problematic areas. For example, the rotating LED seemed to cause a lot of problems, so that has to go. We also need to scrap the ARM battery. We should be relying completely on the internal battery. And finally, we need to fix the exposed wires. So without further ado, I present to you the better than the better flashlight, fitted with anti-rotation technology and top-of-the-line cable management. This is a completely original, custom original flashlight design that has never been seen before, ever, and I'm excited to get someone's opinions on it.
It's a torch.
We're looking for a set of feet, as you see on the screen. What do you think about the design? Show off to the camera quickly.
It's a torch.
Oh, it's crazy. Jack, press the button against the fence. Again. Maintain functionality. Pro engineering. What do you think about the wire management? What do they think? Jack, bring it down to him. What do you think? Closer.
Oh, he's looking at it.
Now put on epilepsy mode. You don't get any better flashlight content anywhere else on YouTube. So you're close.
Oh.
We found the golden feet.
Thank you.